Rilla has helped this particular company at the highest level. It sped up the learning process for everybody really quickly on how to wow the customer, how to give great customer service. We're a company that has multiple faucets in it. We take care of plumbing, drain cleaning, underground piping, have a fantastic one-day bath, HVAC, septic. In the past, you may have to do 7 or 8 ride-alongs that take up 2 days to try to figure out if we're hitting all the points we need to give the customer the wow service, where in 30 minutes, you can get the exact same information through Rilla.
It's helped us better understand our technicians in the field, what they're doing, how they're communicating with the customers, and the overall service that they're providing from start to finish being in the home. And not only that, but listening to every single individual, you get to see where there's differences, where there's room for growth, and how we can build training off of that to help our technicians and sales reps in the field.
The way it has turned out for me is that I can go back and review the jobs that I've done and learn from them, as well as just listening to even other technicians and how they close jobs. And by listening to all the sales conversations, you really can just discover everything that's not right and take it out of your sales pitch and then put everything that works in it. Pumping all that information into myself constantly has just allowed me to grow, and I think that's incredibly beneficial to our whole team.
We're training 10, 20 times faster than ever because they're able to hear the mistakes they made, the challenges that they had. And so it increased a sales perspective close rate close to 12%. And that's just over the last 2-month period.
Rilla has been honestly a blessing. I continue to look forward to growth with them, build more training for my employees, and hopefully build our company.